Welcome to our Doodle video on prompts and how to generate perfect prompts. Introduction to prompts. First, let's understand what a prompt is. A prompt is a statement or question that guides the creation of content. It can be used in writing, art, or even coding. Importance of effective prompts. Effective prompts are crucial because they set the direction and tone for the content. A well-crafted prompt can inspire creativity and ensure the content meets its goals. Elements of an effective prompt. Now, let's break down the elements of an effective prompt. 1. Clarity. 2. Specificity. 3. Inspiration. Clarity. Make sure your prompt is clear and concise. Avoid ambiguity. Specificity. Be specific about what you want. Include details like the topic, tone, and length. Inspiration. Add a touch of inspiration to spark creativity. Use interesting phrases or questions. Examples of effective prompts. Let's look at some examples of effective prompts. Bad prompt. Write a story. Good prompt. Write a 500-word story about a time-traveling detective who solves a mystery in ancient Rome. Tips for creating effective prompts. Here are some tips to create effective prompts. 1. Know your audience. 2. Set clear goals. 3. Test and refine. Know your audience. Understand who will be using the prompt and tailor it to their needs. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with the content. Test and refine. Try out your prompt and make adjustments based on feedback. Conclusion. Creating effective prompts is a skill that can greatly enhance your content generation. Remember to be clear, specific, and inspiring. Thank you for watching. Stay creative and keep generating amazing content.